it's Christa with artisticvegan.com. Welcome back to my kitchen and the Gravity Body Academy headquarters, where today we are making Korean ground tofu with vegetables and rice. I hope you guys are doing great. Let's get into how to make this delicious recipe. Here's everything that you're gonna need. So you want some mushrooms, zucchini, garlic, ginger, onion, tofu. I'm using a silken firm. You can use your favorite. Then I have some red bell pepper, some jalapeno, some green onion, and cilantro to top it. Then you want some lime juice, some soy sauce, agave or coconut sugar or maple syrup, as well as some sesame oil. You could also use tahini or sesame seeds, keeping it oil-free, and some chili flakes or chili powder. I'm going with powder. So that's everything you're gonna need. The first thing you're gonna do is prepare everything. So check, done that. Next, you want to get either some rice or quinoa or noodles prepared and set those aside. So I have some rice boiling over on the stove. And then you'll want to prepare the tofu and the vegetables. So these come together relatively quickly. Let's go over to the stove and get it done. Add your avocado or olive oil, or choose to go oil-free. Cook the tofu on medium heat for about 10 minutes to get a nice golden color. Then you can add your onions to a pan and cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes. At this point, you can add your red bell peppers and jalapeno. Take it for another few minutes, letting the flavors come together. Flip your tofu and cook it for another 5 minutes on the other side. Then add your zucchini to the vegetables, cooking for another couple of minutes. Now you can break up the tofu and allow it to become golden brown and crisp on all sides. That'll take another 5 to 10 minutes. Now you can add your mushrooms, cover with a lid, and cook for 7 minutes. To make the sauce, you'll want soy sauce, sesame oil or tahini, lemon or lime juice, garlic and ginger minced, agave or maple syrup, and some chili powder. Give that a mix and you have a wonderful sauce. I love the flavor. Once your mushrooms are done, you can add the tofu as well as the sauce, give it a mix, and put a lid on it and cook it for another 5 minutes or so to let the flavors come together. Then you'll want to serve it with quinoa, rice or noodles, some cilantro, green onion, and lime. Enjoy, my friends. Well, it smells heavenly in here. Look at what we've made. You can make this really quickly. It comes together quite effortlessly and it just smells amazing. And I already know it tastes that much better because I've already made it and it is already making my mouth water. I'm gonna take a little quick bite and say goodbye. The flavor is just fantastic. That sauce is where it's at. It is so good and so flavorful. I know you're just gonna love this recipe. It's originally inspired from a Korean ground beef recipe, but instead we've used tofu and tons of vegetables and put it over rice to make it a very healthy and satisfying and well-balanced vegan meal. I think you'll really love it. Go and get the recipe over at artisticvegan.com. And if you'd like more content, then I have plenty of videos for free. And please like, comment, subscribe for more, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you know when a new one comes out. Until then.
very well put together book with a lot of interesting meals in it. I can't wait to start changing my lifestyle.